I can't hear you. What happened?
What happened?
There's so much water in my ears.
What's wrong with you?
Lads!
What?
Lads!
Oh, Jesus. Fill up.
Jared.
Fill up.
No, it's Jared!
Oh, Jared. Jared, buddy. Oh, Jesus. There, Jared, you awake? Wait, am I? You alright? What happened? Here, who's missing? Who's missing?
Where's Damien?
Joe! Damien! There!
Damien!
Oh, fuck, boys, there he is. Oh.
You alright, bud?
No.
Damien, you alright? You alright?
Oh! Come on, his legs are covered in ketchup. I mean blood! Come on.
Shit.
Go ahead, get him
Get him
down.
down. Come on, guys. Get him down.
Watch his legs, watch his legs.
Legs, look.
His legs!
Oh.
Oh, pick him up, pick him up.
Can you move your legs?
Move your legs! Oh, boys.
Come on. Come on.
Lads, we have to get your
Be
bearings.
alright, bud. Be alright.
Come on, man. What the fuck happened? Jesus.
Be alright, lads. Just get up here, sit down, and be okay. We'll think about what we're doing.
It won't be okay.
It will.
Damo, are you alright?
It won't.
We'll get out of this.
Damo, are your legs okay?
No, I can't
It won't be okay.
Get on
It won't be okay.
Get him up.
Get him up.
Get him up.
It won't be okay.
Get him up. Get him up.
Get him up. Get the hat up. Get the hat up. Don't forget the hat.
Oh, boys, my legs.
Just get up here, sit down. Done.
What? Get him down. Get him down. Get him down. Get him down.
What the fuck are we gonna do?
He's going to have to accept the fact that we're probably going to be here quite some time.
No,
We gotta eat. I'm so hungry I could eat Damo's left foot.
he's dead.
None of that.
Cannibalism.
They can be fixed these days.
I can't feel it. I can't fucking
Feel it! Lads, I'll get some food.
Stop! God, sorry.
Lads, I saw in a documentary once you can eat seaweed. It's perfectly healthy for you.
Don't fucking eat that, man.
We're going to have to.
I don't wanna.
I'm starving.
No.
Any blood? Oh, sorry,
Don't just throw it away.
Any ketchup?
Yeah, that's the attitude. Comedy.
Give me some salt.
We need more food than this, lads. Jared, what do you think? Will you fish for us? Philip, you?
I'll fish. I'll fish. And we're going to need a hut.
We will.
You build a hut while I'm gone.
I'll build you the best goddamn hut we've ever seen.
Just do what you can, something cozy.
Philip, Stephen.
What?
Let's go. We gotta get raw materials, man. Let's go, buddy.
Boys.
Oh shit, Chris. Sorry, Chris. Please get his knees.
You're a fucking nuisance.
Snake! Can't believe we're going back to fucking nothing for the boys. What the fuck are they going to think? Oh my god! Boys!
What?
How'd you get it done so quick?
Fucking boredom here in this stupid place.
Industrial engineering.
This is a fucking...
This man right here.
Down here. Well fucking play, man.
But it's not wind.
It's all right, John. It's all right. We have a hut now.
It's not windproof.
It is windproof. She's sturdy.
Boys,
She's
boys,
bulletproof.
wait, boys. How do we get in? We can't fucking get in.
There has to be a way in somewhere.
Yeah, Boys. maybe if you put a door on it.
No, there has to be some way fucking in.
Steven, this is the fucking worst idea ever.
You shut up.
Hey.
What? Who doesn't know about putting a door?
You fuck. What good are you anyways with your go on my legs, man?
Fuck you.
Fucking
Fuck
there has
you.
to get in somewhere.
Come on, man. Fuck, we're going out of
Yeah.
here.
Come on.
Dicks.
I'll help you down. No, because you call me a
Fuck
dick.
off.
Jerry, you stay with me.
All right, Adam. Man, let's swap jackets and leave these two. These lads are faggots.
Oh, man, fuck them. Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Fuck ye.
Fuck us.
Yeah, you're going the fucking wrong way.
Yeah, go away.
Fuck off, this is our way!
Make your own raft.
This is the way we're going!
I am absolutely sick of fucking Martin, man.
What's wrong with him?
What do you mean, what's fucking right with him? His gammy fucking legs. He doesn't do anything but complain. We're carrying him around like gobshites. What do you want to do with him, like?
Blow his fucking teeth off.
Where'd you get that?
Ask my cousin. Don't talk about this anymore. He's useless.
No, we
Completely.
don't even have any lighters, so we can't fucking blow him. That's that out of it. Would you kill him?
I would.
Right, so fucking... We'll suffocate him so later on, will we?
We could tie that tire around his head and drown the bastard.
We could.
Boys,
Hey, Frank.
how you getting on, boys?
Frankie Frankerson.
Bit of a hindrance, Frank.
Not pulling your weight, buddy.
Scumbag.
I don't know why we ever started this with you.
You fucking
Get him!
prick.
Get him!
Get
Get him! Get him!
You fucking not dying. It's not taking as quick as I was trying to...
Get him!
Boys, what are you doing?
Nothing. Fuck off. Fuck off. He's useless. Fuck off. He's useless. He's useless. He's useless. He's getting weaker. He's getting weaker. He's getting weaker. He's getting weaker. He's dying. He's dying. He's gone. He's gone.
Boys.
Not so much of a hindrance now, Johnny.
Sunday shitty scumbag!
Scumbag.
Like a fish out of fucking water.
Boys, that was our friend.
Your friend!
Hey, no friend of mine anyway.
What's the fucking point anymore?
We rode on horses made of
Man,
sticks.
two of our best friends.
He wore
were on that
black
ship
and
with
I
Di.
wore white.
What did we
He
do?
would always win the fight. Bang, bang. He shot me down. Bang, bang. I hit the ground. Bang, bang. That awful sound. Bang, bang. My baby shot me down, 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 down.